A thread dump is a snapshot of all the threads that are active in a Java virtual machine at the specific point in time. It provides detailed information about what each thread is doing, including their current state, stack traces, and any logs that hold or are waiting for. A thread dump typically includes thread name and ID, thread state, for example, runnable, blocked, waiting, time waiting, etc., stack trace showing the current method, call chain, log information, which logs the thread holds or is waiting for, priority and daemon status, native method information if applicable. Common thread statuses are runnable, thread is executing or ready to execute. Blocked, thread is blocked waiting for a monitor lock. Waiting, thread is waiting indefinitely for another thread to perform any action. Timed waiting, thread is waiting for a specific period of time. New thread has been created but not yet started. And the last one is terminated, thread has complete execution. When are thread dumps useful? Thread dumps are particularly valuable for debugging deadlocks, identifying threads that are mutually blocking each other. Another one is a performing analysis, finding threads consuming excessive CPU. Another one is identifying bottlenecks, seeing where the threads are spending time. Another one is a troubleshooting hands, understanding why an application has stopped responding. And the last one is memory leak investigation, identifying threads that might be holding references. And here comes the question how to generate thread dumps. There are several ways to generate thread dumps. First one is using jstack, which is Java stack trace tool. A PID in the command jstack is the operating system process ID of the target Java process. The JVM you want to capture a thread dump from. In other words, is the numeric ID of the running Java process. Another way is using kill command on Unix Linux. Another way is using JVisualVM or JConsole, which is GUI tool providing thread dump functionality through their interfaces. Another way is using JVM flags, which you have presented over here. And the last one is the programmatically in Java by using these objects. Thread dumps are essential tools for Java developers and system administrators to diagnose and resolve threading issues in production applications. See you in the next one.